Hello everyone, this is Uncle Andy from Let's Art Seoul, Korea. Today, actually I want to show you something very cool printmaking technique that's something you can use of. Okay, it's called photo transfer using gel plate. Yeah, actually you're using gel and then just print it on and then you can just transfer it to the new paper. It's pretty cool. The important thing is it's non-toxic, because if you're using all those photo transfer things in printmaking, it is very toxic. It's hard. There's a lot of work, and most of all, you need a press. But you don't need all this kind of hassle. It's pretty easy to do that. So, although you have to try it, several times to really get used to it. How to mix the ink, how much the pressure that you're gonna have to do. What kind of paper do you supposed to use? How long you're gonna have to rub it? But it all, downs to having fun and experiment. And I think that's the great part about printmaking. Turned out pretty good, grainy textures to it. Okay, let's do it again. This time I'm going to add more black gouache paint to darkening it. All other process is pretty much the same. The reason I'm adding gouache is that aqua ink seems a bit transparent for me, and when I used an acrylic paint, it dried out too quick. I put a photo image again on a surface. week, I will come back with another variation at printing from gel plate. Thank you for watching, and if you like, hit the like button and please subscribe. Bye-bye.